currently on my way home. I just got off of school, ate some food with some of the homies. And so I'm gonna give you guys a little POV vlog on my way home. So I'm thinking about getting the new transmission. I'm not too sure yet. It's a big ass expense. I might wait. So we will see on that. Man, these roads are So today is Friday, so happy Friday to everyone. This will probably go up probably another day, not today. But we got the new intercooler ready to go in. Shout out to Mark from LFP Performance. I might get one of his throttle bodies because I don't really like the AccuFab. So we might go with that. I'm gonna do the intercooler obviously when this car is cold, because you obviously don't want to do it on a hot motor, so we'll probably do that tomorrow. And that will be a good video. So I don't know if when I do the transmission, I'll probably just upgrade the discs inside the cloud, because you can send them off to them and they can build it for you. So we might do that as an option. Getting into 6 gears of sometimes. Like, no cap. Like, it doesn't want to go into the gate or something. Like, it's my exhaust. Oh, please don't do it. Please don't do it. Ah, shit. On? I didn't even know it was you. Oh my god. I recognized the car, but I was like, I don't know if it's him or not.
Hold on, just in case, I want you to bring the jumpers just in case.
Hey, go in right now.
Yeah, we're going now. Hey, we need to hurry.
Let me hop in the back.
Hop with that.
Alright, fuck it.
Hop in with that.
Oh yeah, son.
Oh, f with you in my car.
It's a low rider, dog.
Close it.
Is it closed good or what?
Yeah, you good?
Busting a mission.
Fuck yeah, I need to go get gas too. My bitch is low.
It's a sick thing.
She's idling pretty good right now.
So tired as
This how it's gonna be, bro. This how it's gonna be.
boom.
The fuck is that? Hey, is it recording? Is it recording?
Yeah.
I need to. Woo! Hey, Mark, record everything. Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Yeah? Alright. I don't know if the angle's good or not.
Hopefully don't crash the bitch.
Okay. This is all cool.
Are you guys ready for this though? Just make sure the coast is clear and I'm just swinging.
Yeah, you're coming in soon. See how bad my brakes are?
Let's go.
Got that right?
Yeah, I got that shit.
Back? Should we go back?
Oh, the thing? Oh.
You see the smoke?
Yeah.
Oh shit, that is.
Yeah.
So it needs alignment. See the rubbing?
Yeah.
So that's rubbing bad. It needs alignment. Then wheels and tires are coming soon, so I need to roll the fenders. They're cutting on my tires real bad.
Hey,
What'd you say?
hey,
Sideways or
hey,
what?
did you see me? Got loose. Hey, bro, the tires got cut.
They got cut back?
On the other side, Joel, hey, your lights are dimming. Hella bad. The Termi looking mighty fine today. Joel hella excited. The stance is real. I look like a Jabberwocky or some shit.
He's like, I'll just cut that part out.
Just cut that out.
Come on, start it. And that wouldn't turn on, bro. Did you start it? Oh, that's it?
Hey, that was full exhaust, I know.
Oh, okay.
You don't want the dude, you want it? Hold up. I'll give him the jump,
Alright.
Alright,
Hey,
go.
go.
I'll give you the jump, go. Go.
Give me a car.
Go.
Hey.
We'll go on the straight. On the straight.
Oh shit, you only got close. Damn, okay. Okay, my boy.
Off tops, Joel took the gap sauce right there.
Yeah.
Hey, to be honest, he did kind of good at first. I'm not even gonna lie. Nah, but the Cobra pulled hella hard. Off tops.
Started pulling, What'd you think? Say your thoughts.
The Camaro would have overlapped these.
Damn, okay. Joel back there.
All right, Joel, let's review the footage, and we're gonna play on the video. So hold up.
Wait, give me a car. Ready? Go, look. Yeah, and I was ahead of you the whole time that I was in gear, and that's when I missed it and you passed me up.
I was like, see that.
No, look, I straight up missed it. Like I didn't even go into gear. The gear that I was in, I stepped on it, we were like right there.
I was like, see so bad. Please explain what the auto shop teacher is like at our high school.
Check this out. Auto shop teacher at our school sucks. All right, we need a better auto shop teacher. He teaches like the most simple stuff, the basics, right? But it's terrible because he's boring and he just sucks. Like let me tell you, this is what he does. He'll walk up into the joint, right, and he'll be like, you know what the industry says? You know what they want the most? He's like, we want people that show up on time and every day. And then he calls it the soft skills, and I'm just like, dude, you know how to change oil.
Nah, I'll be honest. I had auto shop in the previous years at my high school, and personally, I didn't like the teacher. Didn't connect with you. He wasn't very nice, you know. I just didn't like him like that. All right, guys, me and Joel are pooped.
Yeah.
But today was a pretty eventful day. We know someone went to Mexico with a Pontiac G8. I don't know who that was, but with that being said, we're gonna wrap up the video. Joel, how was the Fox?
It was cool, man. It was a lot of fun. You know, when you're building your car and stuff, taking it out, it's pretty fun. But definitely got a fender roll. Why is it my definitely need to roll the fenders because it's gripping pretty hard on the tires.
Oh yeah, Alex SVT saw Joel 5-point slow smoking the tires just driving, so I don't really know what's going on there, but
a couple more things should be good to go.
Yep.
Those tires coming in soon too, so
we're gonna be straight mobbing soon, hopefully.
Yeah. Soon.
And Alex SVT is gonna get the new heat exchanger going in very soon. Hopefully he pulls through and helps us out. And with that being said, what do I say?
That's the end of the video.
What do I say?
TJ and Hunky moving
No,
forward.
but what did I say before that?
Alex
They gotta
SVT
like and
sucks.
subscribe.
Yeah, guys, like and subscribe for more. All that stuff. Share with your friends, your moms, your dads, your dogs, your cousins, sisters, and
Cousins, daughters, mothers,
all of
uncles.
those people they want to see. So make sure you share with everybody you know.
And we will see you guys next time. Peace.
Peace.